Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an electronic door lock code. First, you'll need your current master code or programming code. This is essential for accessing the lock settings. Next, find the programming button, usually on the interior side of the lock. It might be a small, recessed button. Finally, make sure your door is unlocked and open, giving you clear access to the lock's components for the next steps. To enter programming mode, begin by pressing the programming button just one time. Immediately after, input your current master code or programming code on the keypad. The lock will typically provide an audible confirmation, like a series of beeps or a visual cue, such as a flashing light, to indicate that you have successfully entered the programming sequence. This confirms the lock is ready for new instructions. Now, to set your new code, press the programming button one more time. Then, carefully enter your desired new code on the keypad. Most electronic locks allow codes between 4 and 10 digits in length, offering good security. After entering it once, you will need to re-enter the exact same new code to confirm your selection. This two-step process helps prevent errors and ensures accuracy. Once you've set your new code, it's crucial to test it immediately. Close the door and attempt to lock it using the new code. Then, enter your newly programmed code to unlock the door. Listen for the satisfying click of the bolt retracting. If the lock does not respond as expected, or if the new code fails, simply repeat the entire code-changing process from the very first step to ensure proper programming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.